Welcome to AN Studies. Today's topic is Geography 6th class NCERT Chapter 8 Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife in India. We'll go through the important points of this chapter. Weather. Weather is about day-to-day changes in atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall, sunshines, etc. Major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season, December to February, hot weather season, it is summer, March to May, and southwest monsoon season rainy, June to September, and season of retrieving monsoon, October and November. Cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly on the region. As a result, temperatures are quite low in the northern India. Hot weather season or summer. In hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall on this region. Temperature becomes very high. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow during this day. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by the onset or advance of monsoon. The wind blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. Season of retrieving monsoon. Winds move back from mainland to Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retrieving monsoon. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receives rainfall in this season. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from Arabic word mausim, which means season. Due to India's location in tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional difference in the climate of India. Natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. The grasses, shrubs, trees which grow on their own without interference or help of human beings are called natural vegetation. Different types of natural vegetations are dependent on different climate conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Why are forests are necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plant release oxygen that we breathe and absorbs carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants bind the soil, thus they control soil erosion. Forests provide us the timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fodder, medical plants and herbs, lac, honey, gum, etc. Forests are the natural habitats of wildlife. Wildlife. Forests are home to variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forest. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of our country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lion, elephant, and one-horned rhinoceros. Roam in the forest of Assam. Elephant are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in Great Indian Desert and the Ran of Kutch respectively. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in Himalayan regions. India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is our national bird. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife in India are declining rapidly. Many species have already become extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up. These are the some important points of this chapter. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.